How to get Amazon Flex Debit Card 2025 method. If you're driving for Amazon Flex, you might have heard about the Amazon Flex Debit Card and wondered if it's worth getting in 2025. Maybe you've run into issues with payment timing, or you want a simpler way to manage your Flex earnings. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete, step-by-step method to get your Amazon Flex Debit Card, explain how it works, and show you the best ways to use it efficiently so you can maximize your earnings without headaches. Let's start with the basics. The Amazon Flex Debit Card is essentially a prepaid debit card linked directly to your Amazon Flex account. Unlike a traditional bank account, where your pay deposits might take a few days to clear, the Flex Debit Card allows you to access your earnings almost immediately after your completed deliveries. It's designed to give drivers more control over their money, with instant access, easier tracking, and fewer fees for transferring funds. Step 1. Make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. In 2025, Amazon Flex requires drivers to be at least 21 years old, have a valid driver's license, a reliable vehicle, and an active Amazon Flex account. To apply for the debit card, you must be a registered Amazon Flex driver and have completed at least one block of deliveries. This ensures that your account is verified and that Amazon has a record of your earnings history. Step 2. Download and log into the Amazon Flex app. The debit card application process is done entirely through the app. Once you're logged in, go to the Payments or Banking section. Here, you'll see an option for the Amazon Flex Debit Card. If it doesn't appear, double-check that your account is fully active, all personal information is accurate, and that you've completed at least one delivery block. Sometimes the option only becomes available after your initial payouts have cleared. Step 3. Start the application process. Click on the Get Debit Card or Amazon Flex Debit Card button. You'll be prompted to enter some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, social security number, and mailing address. Amazon uses this information to verify your identity, which is standard for prepaid debit cards. Make sure every detail matches your official documents to avoid delays in approval. Step 4. Review the card terms and conditions. The Amazon Flex Debit Card comes with certain fees and limitations, which are important to understand. As of 2025, the card generally has no monthly maintenance fee, no minimum balance requirement, and instant access to your Flex earnings. However, there may be fees for ATM withdrawals outside of certain networks or for replacement cards. Take a moment to read and understand these details, because knowing the costs upfront prevents surprises later. Step 5. Verify your identity. After submitting your personal information, Amazon may require additional verification. This can include taking a photo of your driver's license, answering identity verification questions, or confirming your address. This process is usually quick, taking anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, but in some cases, it can take a full business day. Patience is key here. Don't submit multiple applications, as this can delay processing. Step 6. Wait for approval and card delivery. Once your application is approved, Amazon will issue your debit card. Most drivers receive a physical card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. In the meantime, you can often access your account digitally through the Amazon Flex app. This virtual card allows you to start using your earnings immediately for online purchases or digital payments, even before the physical card arrives. Step 7. Activate your Amazon Flex Debit Card. When you receive the physical card, activation is simple. Open the Amazon Flex app, navigate to the Debit Cards section, and follow the instructions to activate. You'll typically need to confirm the last 4 digits of the card and enter a PIN of your choice. Once activated, the card is ready for use at ATMs, point-of-sale terminals, and online purchases, just like a standard debit card. Step 8. Link your card for direct access to earnings. The main advantage of the Amazon Flex Debit Card is that your earnings are deposited directly onto the card. Each time you complete a delivery block, your pay is processed, and funds are loaded onto your debit card, often on the same day or the next day. This eliminates the typical 2-3 day waiting period for standard bank transfers. You can also set up notifications to track deposits and manage your spending in real time. Step 9. Use your card responsibly. Because the Amazon Flex Debit Card gives you instant access to earnings, it's easy to spend money as soon as it arrives. For better financial management, consider setting aside a portion of each payout for gas, vehicle maintenance, or taxes if you're an independent contractor. The card also allows you to withdraw cash at ATMs, but keep in mind potential fees if you're using out-of-network machines. Planning ahead ensures you maximize the benefits of the card without incurring unnecessary costs. Step 10. troubleshooting, and support. If you encounter any issues, Amazon Flex offers an app support specifically for debit card concerns. This includes lost or stolen cards, declined transactions, or delayed deposits. You can also contact the card's issuing bank directly for technical problems, like ATM disputes or PIN resets. Keeping your app updated and checking your account regularly reduces the likelihood of problems. A practical example: let's say you complete a 3-hour delivery block earning $120. With a traditional bank deposit, you might wait 2-3 days to access that money. With the Amazon Flex debit card, your $120 is loaded directly onto the card, allowing you to pay for gas, groceries, or even online shopping immediately. If you need to withdraw cash, you can do so at a supported ATM, often without additional fees, making it a flexible and convenient option for drivers who rely on immediate access to funds. The surprising truth about the Amazon Flex debit card is that many drivers underestimate its convenience. Beyond instant access to earnings, it provides clear tracking of your payments, reduces the need for multiple bank accounts, and can even serve as a budgeting tool if used wisely. Some drivers use the card exclusively for flex earnings, separating it from personal expenses to better manage cash flow. This simple strategy can make a big difference in financial organization and planning. Finally, a few tips for maximizing the card's benefits in 2025. First, keep your app and card details secure. Enable two-factor authentication for your Amazon account to prevent unauthorized access. Second, consider setting up alerts for deposits and spending. Amazon Flex allows push notifications for each payout, so you always know when money hits your card. Third, if you frequently travel for deliveries, know which ATM networks are fee-free with your card to avoid unnecessary charges. In conclusion, getting the Amazon Flex debit card in 2025 is a straightforward process that offers significant benefits to drivers. By following the steps we've outlined: checking eligibility, applying through the app, verifying your identity, activating the card, and linking it to your earnings, you can gain instant access to your Flex payouts and manage your money efficiently. Coupled with thoughtful budgeting and smart usage, the Amazon Flex debit card becomes not just a payment tool, but a powerful financial ally for drivers looking to simplify their earnings and make their delivery experience smoother. With this method, you can stop worrying about delayed payments, manage your funds effectively, and take full advantage of every dollar you earn with Amazon Flex. The card is designed for convenience, security, and speed, giving you the control you need in 2025 and beyond.